Welcome to this presentation on data wrangling. In this video, we'll dive into the key concepts and tools needed to prepare data for analysis. Today's presentation will cover the following topics. First, we'll define and understand what data wrangling is. Then, we'll explore the 6 critical steps in the data wrangling process. Next, we'll compare data wrangling with ETL processes, highlighting their similarities and differences. We'll also discuss how to use Python pandas to create and manage data frames, one of the most important tools for data wrangling. Finally, we'll identify essential pandas methods that are useful for data manipulation. Data wrangling is the process of preparing source data for efficient and accurate analysis. This involves activities like removing missing values, standardizing formats, and appending additional information from external sources. It's also known as data munging or data preparation. The 6 steps of data wrangling include discovery, which is about exploring and familiarizing yourself with the source data. Structuring involves transforming features to have uniform formats, units, and scales. Cleaning focuses on handling missing or outlier data. Enriching means deriving new features and appending external data. Validation ensures the dataset is accurate and consistent. Finally, publishing makes the data accessible to others. When we compare data wrangling to ETL, or extract, transform, load processes, both aim to structure, clean, enrich, and publish data. However, data wrangling is a manual and ad hoc process, often used for static datasets. ETL, on the other hand, is automated and designed for handling larger datasets from multiple sources. Python's pandas library is a powerful tool for data wrangling. At the heart of pandas is the data frame, a two-dimensional structure for storing and manipulating datasets. Each column has a data type. Rows and columns are labeled, and these features make it easy to navigate and process data efficiently. For example, you can create a pandas data frame to represent a dataset, inspect its content, sort it by specific columns, and even slice rows and columns. This helps you perform common data wrangling tasks like organizing and analyzing data with minimal effort. Some essential pandas methods include read_CSV, which imports data from CSV files, and dataframe.info, which displays summary information about a data frame. Other methods like dataframe.lock and dataframe sort_values help with slicing and sorting datasets. To summarize, data wrangling ensures that data is clean, structured, and enriched, making it ready for analysis. By following the 6 systematic steps of discovery, structuring, cleaning, enriching, validating, and publishing, you can tackle data preparation efficiently. With tools like Python pandas, you have the power to manage datasets effectively and make better data-driven decisions. Understanding the differences between data wrangling and ETL ensures you can choose the right approach based on your needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.